Hi, let me show you how to factory reset your Canon printer, that is the imageCLASS MF275dw, MF273dw, and also the MF272dw. We need to go on the display over here. Press the home button, press on menu, go down, select management settings, go down, select initialize all data and settings. It will ask you, data files will be deleted and settings initialize. Okay. At this point, you're going to press the yes button and everything will be deleted. Your personal information, everything. The printer will be like a brand new printer, the way you found it out of the box once you purchased for the first time. So click the yes button. It will take a few seconds and everything will be factory resetted. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.